Ito na yata yung isa sa pinaka-importanting topic when trading Forex, yung risk management. So according to data, 70 or 80% of traders are losing traders. This is around the world. These are on surveys, the research ko sa mga site, and this is because of improper risk management. So in this video, we're gonna talk about 7 risk management tips to avoid getting into big losses. Okay, number 1, the first thing that you should do after placing a trade, ang pinaka-importante, pinaka-una nyong gagawin is to set your stop loss. Saang price nyo gustong mag-close yung trade nyo in a loss to protect your account. So I've read somewhere and I watched training videos as well, and ang sabi doon ng isang pinaka-elite trader sa buong mundo is the best offense in trading is actually defense, because if you can keep your capital, hindi ito nasusunog, hindi ito na margin call, you can continue growing your account and compound it for the next couple of years. Remember guys, ang Forex po, it's a marathon, no? It's never a sprint. Yung ginawa kong challenge na yon, I was able to do it and I was using a larger risk per trade. No, I was using 5% risk per trade, which I don't recommend to newbie traders kasi masisira po yung psychology nyo at baka hindi pa kayo sanay sa mga ganong types of losses. So number 1, the first thing that you should do, always remember, pagka-click nyo ng buy or sell, asan yung stop loss nyo. Or mas maganda dito, before kayo mag-place ng trade, alam nyo na yung zone and price kung saan mag-i-stop yung position nyo, saan magko-close to in a very small loss. For beginners, you risk 1% or 2% of your account. Ibig sabihin, if you have a $1,000 account, kada trade mo, you're only risking $10. And if you follow that strict rule, it will take, how many trades before po masunog yung account nyo. So for example, natalo kayo ng 10 trades, $900 na lang. Ang next trade mo, ang risk mo, $9 na lang. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-importante. First thing, before you place a trade or even before you place a trade, alam nyo na kung saan yung stop loss. Better recommended above the candlestick or above a certain zone. Okay, that's number 1 for risk management, yung stop loss natin. A lot of traders ngayon sa Pilipinas or even around the world, they do not use stop loss. So ngayon makikita nyo doon sa account na pinakita ko doon sa 30K to 200 to $300,000, marami kayong makikitang pula dyan at wala kayong makikitang sobrang laking loss. Bakit? Kasi ang liit po ng stop loss ko, 10 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips lang po yung stop loss ko at hindi ko po to ina-adjust. That's it. If I lose, I will try to find another candle to actually enter. That's number 1. Okay? Number 2, cutting your losses earlier. Okay? So for example lang naman, you are on a buy and then immediately, the price is going down, moving to your stop loss. Okay? And you identify that, wait a minute, bumili pala ako sa downtrend. Ano ang probability na mai-hit yung stop loss ko? And then, nakita mo na yung bearish candle na engulf yung previous 5 bullish candle. Pag ganun yung sign, no? Nakabuy kayo at tapos merong isang malaking bearish candle, 30-minute, 1-hour, 4-hour candle na nag-form na mas malaki yung candle na yon, yung bearish candle na yon sa mga bullish candle, kesa hintayin mong pumunta sa stop loss yung price, better close the trade. Isa yon, okay? It's minimizing. So instead of losing $10 dun sa $1,000 account mo, you were able only to lose $5. Diba? So minsan i-analyze mo pagka-click mo ng trade, minsan teka lang, mali yata ako may news pala in 5 minutes. Okay? So isa yon. Number 2 is cutting your losses or yung mga losing position earlier. Huwag nyo nang hintayin ma-hit yung stop loss. So I do this a lot. Okay? So meron mga disadvantage to and advantage. We're gonna talk about that on the advanced course. But for now, yun muna. Number 3, proper lot sizes. Okay, proper lot sizes for beginners, 0.5%, 1%, 2% risk per trade. So ibig sabihin, kung account size mo is $200, ang lot size mo is 0.01. Okay? At pag nakatungtong ka na sa $500, you can increase your lot size to 0.02. At pag $1,000 ka na, pwede ka na mag 0.03 and 0.04. So if you keep on increasing your lot size, if you keep on winning, you're going to compound your account exponentially throughout the months and years. Remember, you are pursuing a career that pays really well. And it will take months and years to actually master Forex. And for me, siguro another 5 more years and until lifetime to kasi, once you begin trading and once you become serious in trading, there's no stopping that, okay? Number 4, closing your opening positions before the market closes. Ito yung tipong nag-trade ka ng Thursday and Friday and then your position is actually doing good. It's doing good, but then it retraces back and then malapit na ulit sa entry size mo. Doon sa entry level mo. Mas maganda i-close nyo na po yung posisyon nyo. Bakit? Meron po kasi tayong tinatawag na slippage na na-discuss natin previous video. When the market opens on Monday, possible mag-spike down yung prices and candles at baka tamaan yung stop loss mo. This happened to me dozens of times already. This is why hindi na ako nag-leave ng positions open before the market closes unless sobrang laki na ng tinakbo ng position mo. Yung tipong 200 pips na yung tinakbo nung winning position mo, then you can put your SL to break even. Pero kunyari, malapit lang, 20 pips, 30 pips lang, Saturday na, malapit na mag-close yung market, close your trade. And this will also help your psychology dahil wala ka nang iisipin sa Monday habang natutulog ka. Habang natutulog ka is, maslip kaya yung position ko? Tamaan kaya yung stop loss ko? So ngayon, sinasabi ko na sa inyo para ma-prevent yung problem na yon. Okay? Number 5, not trading news. So sa previous video natin, pinakita ko sa inyo yung mga site na kailangan nyo i-visit to actually see what is the upcoming news for the upcoming week. Okay, so Saturday and Sunday is the planning day. So ibig sabihin, if you're going to trade, gold on Monday, tapos may heavy news. May heavy news coming in about 1 hour. Better wait for the news to actually settle out, mag-calm down muna yung market because mostly that is when the market makers manipulate the market and prices going up and down to hit everyone's stop loss. Ibig sabihin, both buyers and sellers will hit their stop loss before the market moves. Okay? So ibig sabihin, number 5, do not trade news. Do not actually have an open position before news. I've lost a lot of money on this. Naging greedy ako. Okay, malaki na yung floating profits and I was aiming for more. Ang nangyari, na-slip pa, natalo pa. Okay? Number 6, adjusting your stop loss. Ito, nakakatawa. Marami ako nakikitang trader na ganito, magse-set ng stop loss, tapos pag malapit nang ma-hit yung stop loss, ang malupit, i-adjust niya pababa kung nakabuy siya. Okay? At habang bumaba pa ang malupit, ina-adjust niya pa ulit kasi ayaw niyang matalo yung trade niya. This will bloat your losses. Lalaki ng lalaking loss niyo. Okay? Masisira yung psychology niyo and you will not be able to make good decision on your next trade. Number 7, eto, sakit to. Sakit to ng mga baguhan. Dati ginagawa ko to. Number 7, adding to losing position. Eto yung tipo na nag-buy ka, so bumababa yung price, nagba-buy ka ulit, tapos bumababa yung price, so nagba-buy ka ulit. Nagko-cost average ka, nagiging martingale ka na. So habang bumababa, buy ka ng buy, hoping that the price would actually go up. I've lost a lot of money on this during my early years. So never add to losing positions, but add to winning position. So adding to winning position is a bit more advanced. We're gonna talk about that on an advanced course kung paano yung proper way to actually maximize the move, lalo na pag mayroong malaking move na mangyayari during Thursday and Friday, during heavy volume day. How do you actually add to winning position? Kabaliktaran to, ang mga beginners, ang mga newbies na walang guidance, they just keep on adding, pataas ng pataas yung price, sell sila ng sell, and thinking that the price is already too high and it must come up. Ito yung iniisip nila na, ang taas na masyado ng gold, it must come down. Ayaw bumaba eh. The banks are buying, ikaw naman kabaliktaran. You're selling. Okay? So these are the 7 risk management tools and tips for beginners. But actually, kahit yung ibang advanced, nakakalimutan to. Ako, never ko na pong nakalimutan maglagay ng stop loss. Sometimes yung news, I'm getting caught off guard. Merong mga news akong event na nami-miss. Okay? Proper lot size. Doon sa challenge account ko, I use like a really huge lot size. I was using 5% risk per trade because that's a challenge account for me. So again, if you like this video, click like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully I can see you on my advanced course.